Maintaining a healthy lifestyle isn't just about hitting the gym, it's a holistic approach that combines physical activity, nutrition, and mental well-being. First up, nutrition. It's the fuel that powers our bodies. Imagine eating not just to satisfy hunger, but to nourish and strengthen your body. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. And remember, hydration is key. Drinking enough water throughout the day keeps our body functions running smoothly. Next, exercise. It's not one size fits all. Whether it's a 30-minute walk, a yoga session, or lifting weights, the best exercise is the one you enjoy and can stick with. Consistency over intensity is the mantra here. It's about making movement a regular part of your day. Lastly, never underestimate the power of mental health. Stress management, quality sleep, and positive social interactions are crucial. They say a healthy mind resides in a healthy body, and it's true. Techniques like mindfulness, meditation, or simply taking time to relax and do what you love are vital. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a journey, not a destination. Small, consistent changes lead to big results. So, start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Let's embark on this journey together, towards a healthier, happier life.